So we have our new cabin air filter that we purchased off Amazon. So you're going to open the glove box. On the right side of your glove box, you have this little rod. You're going to push this out this way. And you can see it's disconnected. So to pull your glove box down, you're going to squeeze the top here and here inwards and pull it down. And you can see that's where your cabin air filter is. So you're going to take this tab and pull it over, revealing your cabin air filter. And just make a note, you can see the up, so this is the airflow direction. Pull it out. And that is filthy. And you can see why it's a good idea to replace them with a new one. So before you install your new air filter, just make sure it's nice and clean in there. So you're going to install your new filter. And remember, you want the arrow pointing up for the direction of the airflow. Reinstall your cover. So you push your glove box up and reconnect this little rod. Just like that. And you're done. And there we go. That's how you install a cabin filter in a Lexus NX200T. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching.